ang pangit ng katawan ko rin, biglang bumagsak.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet.
Magkano ate?
But life pulled
Ano lang,
us
20
apart,
pesos.
left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
Mineral.
Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back what we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what it like that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment.
Ay, eto totoo to ah. Send
If only
ano,
for a
picture.
moment.
Hot picture ah.
Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a
Wala,
moment.
tamang aya naman yun, hindi naman natutuloy. Ako kasi go lang naman ako. Gusto mo, bembang, go lang naman ako. Kung saan ka masaya. Go lang. Okay, baby. Yeah. Ay, gaya-gaya ko. Expert na nga ako. Kakagaya ng mga Thailand eh. Gusto ko nang makakolab si Johnny Sins. Miss ko na siya. Pairing ka na. First magiging ka porn star na, tapos si Johnny Sins agad yung tinapat sa'yo. Ano, Pepe? Sino si Jordy? Wala akong kilala, gago. Wala akong alam sa mga si Johnny Sins. Kasi, sino si Jordy ba? Yung parang malaki din yung katawan, yung parang naanlainan. Ayun ba yun? Si Johnny Sins kasi, di talaga ako nanonood. Dun yung kay Ems noon dati sa live. Parang nag-gun sila, tatawanan sila about Johnny Sins. Ako naman, sobrang innocent Gusto ko surprise. May request si Patrick ko. Ano daw? Anong gusto ng Patrick? May test down your extravagance. Tama na, putang ina nyo. Masaya ka, Patrick. Balik ko yung 44 mo. Sa'yo na yan. Balik ko yan. Ayoko niyan. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Hindi ko mababayaran yung kuryente ko din. 10K, Patrick. I will show my nipple. 10K. 10K. 10K per nipple. Don't cry. My pussy is crying already. My pussy is crying already. Crap lang daw ba?